Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be creating some bats using the primary colors. Start by tracing a lid on a white square using your pencil. Then take your scissors and cut out your circle. This will be the shape we use for the moon. I'm left-handed, so I'm holding my scissors in my left hand. However, my other hand is doing most of the work. My right hand is turning the paper. All my left hand is doing is opening and closing my scissors. Chomp, chomp, chomp. I see a little of my pencil lines is still showing, so that's the side where I'll put my glue, so nobody will see my ugly pencil line once it's glued down. Let's see, where should I place my moon? In the middle or off to the side? I think I'll place it right here. Let's put the cap on our glue stick so it doesn't dry out. Now I'm going to use a black marker to make some circles. Small circles, big circles, medium circles, and some letter C or curved lines. These will be the craters. Now I'm going to go over each circle and line with my paintbrush using just clear water. This is going to make the marker line spread and make it look more like a shadow. There, now we'll let this dry. While it's drying, we're going to create some little stars using a silver Sharpie. I want you to make your stars by drawing a little tiny X with a line through it. You can also make some lines coming out from your star to make it look like it's a shooting star. If you want, you can make some little dots with your Sharpie to make it look like little stars way far in the distance. Just make sure you press down gently though so you don't ruin your Sharpie. We want our Sharpies to stay nice and pointy. Today we will be using the primary colors to create our bats. Here's the middle, but I want to make a rectangle, so I'm going to move my scissors over and cut off the end. I'm going to do this to each of the colors. Now we will take our small rectangles and do the same thing. Cut off the end to make a square. These squares are going to be the bat's bodies. Next, we will glue these down. We want to make sure that they're spread out enough so that there's room for the wings. Now using the large rectangles, we are going to make the wings. Put a dot in each of the opposite corners. Then, using a ruler, connect the dots. This will make a diagonal line. Do this again to the blue rectangle. And the yellow rectangle. Now carefully use your scissors to cut along these diagonal lines. This will create two triangles, which we will use for the wings. Let's get these glued down. Now we will use the 3 remaining small rectangles to create some ears. Cut off a little bit of the end to create a square. Then cut your square in half to create 2 little triangles. Do that again with the yellow. And again with the blue. You can arrange your ears however you would like. These little leftover pieces you can throw out. The last thing we will do today is glue down the ears. will be adding some silly faces to our bats. Fold a small strip of white paper in half and draw a nice big circle with your pencil. Then, keeping your paper folded, carefully cut out your circle. When you're finished, you should have 2 little circles for the eyes. Do this again 2 more times for your other 2 bats. Let's look at the idea sheet. Let's add 2 small dots for the pupils inside each eye. You can have your bat looking off to the side or straight ahead. Placement of the eyebrows and the shape of the mouth are all that is needed to make each bat express an emotion. You can make your bats happy, sad, scared, surprised, mad, shy, whatever you would like. Don't forget to add small little triangle teeth to each bat's mouth. The final step is to add lines to the bat's wings to represent their fingers. Draw 3 angled lines from the top of the wing down to the bottom of the wing with your Sharpie. One more wing to go. I hope you have lots of fun creating some spooky bats using the primary colors.